Most of the goods we bring, we cannot even sell them, and most of them are waste. So it's excess loose this time around.
We enlighten them to the damage that's being caused by improper handling of electronic waste and, for example, the burning of cables at day and night, etc. They know exactly what happens to their bodies when they do that, so they are encouraged to do things the right way, which is eco-friendly.
We're putting the profit above the people. We're putting gain above the common good, and it's not acceptable. There has to be fundamental changes. Hopefully this whole COVID issue will help us to become aware that, nature is a force that must be harmonized, that must even be cared for.